Hello everyone, this is Tattimusprime, back for an extremely unexpected unboxing video. Went and checked the mail today, and to my surprise there was a box sitting by the door. Picked it up. It was addressed to me, and I'm expecting something in the mail, and the addresses didn't add up. So, opened up the box, found out who it was from, contacted them, made sure it was okay to do this video. Got the okay, the green light. Open it up, and this is what was inside. Now, hopefully by now, oh man, I gotta move the camera. Patriot Prime's Reviews sent me this. Totally unexpected. I have no idea what's inside. I have no idea. I had no idea it was coming. Totally unexpected. And I got a hold of him, asking if it was okay, how he wanted to, what the protocol was. And he requested that he'd like to see an opening video, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and open it, and we're going to find out together. He said it was okay to do it now. I could open it now. Didn't have to wait till Christmas to do it. Let's go ahead and tear into it, and let's find out what the generosity. It amazes me. I can't thank you enough, Patriot Prime. Now, I'm being careful because did a really good job of wrapping this up. But the tag on it, I'm keeping that. He printed up his own Patriot Prime's tag with his logo, and I love it. That is just the coolest thing ever. That's really, really awesome. This is crazy. I was not expecting it, brother. Trying to be gentle here. This is literally Christmas. Whoa. No way. Dude. Wow. Alright, guys. Holy crap. Titans returns Overlord. Brother. Oh my God. That is amazing. I have never, ever owned this guy, and never thought I would. This is my first Headmasters. This guy is, brother, I'm touched, dude. Seriously. I cannot wait to review this guy. This will be the next review. Wow. Wow, 4 modes. The artwork on the box, I'm not a big box person. I'm not really into the whole showing off the box and stuff. But, wow. And he comes with Dreadnought, his little Titan Master. Brother. Hoo-ah! I just don't know what else to say. I really don't. He is beautiful. In package, he's fucking beautiful. I can't, wow. I don't know what else to say, dude. I thank you so very much. Really do. Wow. Yeah. He's not going to be staying in this very long. He's going to be coming out of package, and then we'll be doing a review. Wow. Man, your generosity is overwhelming. I'm speechless. Wow. Yeah, I've never been this speechless. I'm just dumbfounded. He looks amazing. Well, I'm going to try not to drag this on because I'm just repeating myself. Brother, I appreciate it. I really do. This is one badass gift for sure. Hooah! Thank you, brother. Be looking for this review coming up next. Till next time, guys. Rock on.